How you manage rows in Google Sheets makes or breaks your report. 11 operations: add, remove, resize, freeze, unfreeze, copy, paste, hide, unhide, group, and ungroup, all on your mobile phone. Let's go. All right, I have a simple habit tracker here, and we're going to do everything in this spreadsheet and help you understand rows like you've never known before. So in Google Sheets Mobile, to highlight a row, you tap the row number. So I'm going to tap row 6, and now I have the whole row highlighted. The little blue dots in column C, you can tap and drag to highlight more rows, either up or down. The slider, the little circle with the arrows, will make it go wider or narrower. And if you double tap on that, it'll auto set to the height that it needs to be in order to see the text. So let's do this for a second. Let's go into my text. See how I can increase the size and the row already moves? But let's go here and make it smaller. Now it's too small, right? I can double tap and it will show the whole word automatically. So let's actually undo and we'll reduce the font. Okay. Now the next thing you might want to learn how to do is how to do the same thing with multiple rows. So that's where we go back to the blue circle. We highlight rows this way, and then I can expand all of them at the same time and auto all at the same time. The other thing you can do is you can tap on the row after it's highlighted, and you can see we've got all these options in here. So you can cut, copy, autofill, clear, delete row, freeze rows, insert one row above, insert one row below, hide row, and group. So we'll go through each one of these to help you understand how to do this. So if I cut, I can come down here and paste it. I'll copy this time and paste. And all I'm doing is tapping on the row number twice, once to highlight the row and once to get the menu option to pop up. Then again, I'll copy, tap on row 19, tap again, and hit paste. So again, I can do that with multiple rows too. Copy, paste. Now let's say you wanted to add a row. Well, let's clear all this. So again, I tapped again. I'm just going to hit clear, and that'll remove everything. So let's say you want to insert a row in here. We're going to highlight the row, tap again. We're going to do insert one row. Okay, now I can put another habit in here. Let's put a habit in here. The habit's going to be exercise. And now I've got a new row added. But I also need to copy here and paste here. So now I've got exercise added, and I can see that I've been able to insert one row. What about inserting multiple rows? Again, same thing, use the blue circle, tap again, cross over, and you can insert 3 rows above. Or you can insert 3 rows below. Now, what if you want to delete a row? You can tap, delete a row. But if you want to delete 4 rows, delete 4 rows. Now, maybe what you want to do is freeze rows so that you can see your titles. So now what you can do is highlight row 4 and type freeze or tap freeze 4 rows. And now you have those rows frozen so that you can always see your titles up above. And in this case, with the habit tracker, know what day of the week you've got. To unfreeze rows, highlight row 4 again and unfreeze the 4 rows. And now they move. And you can do that anywhere in any row in your sheet. So now we're going to delete this row because I don't want it. What you saw there too is we can hide rows. So say you don't want to worry about hydration, exercise, and movement this week. You can tap again and hide 3 rows. Now they're still here and you can see them because the arrows are there, and you've got row 5 through 9. The other way you can do it, say I just want to hide 1 row, hide row. The other way to do it is just tap and then look for unhide row, and you can unhide row. And again, let's do it one more time. Hide 4 rows, and we'll highlight these 2, and I can unhide those 4 rows. by highlighting the row above and the row below. Now you can see all those rows are unhidden. So let's delete rows. Again, just tap delete row and the row's deleted. If you want to highlight more rows, delete 4 rows and they're all deleted. I am going to undo to get those back. And the last one that we're going to work on is group. So I can group all these rows, and now I have a toggle. If I hit the minus, they'll go away. And if I hit the plus, they'll come back. And you can even nest those if I'm correct here. And say you want the hydration, exercise, and movement nested. You could group these too. Group. So now you've got them nested, and you can toggle here. And here. To ungroup, we're going to highlight our rows again. Let's see how this works. Those are the 3 that I grouped in the minor group. Ungroup 6 through 8. So that minor group is gone. And now I'm going to ungroup the larger selection. Ungroup 5 through 11. So here you can see you can cut, copy, paste, clear, delete row, freeze rows, insert rows, hide row, and group. To learn more Google Sheets, watch this video next.